90% of the people don't know that just sitting on a chair you can actually lose your belly fat, that to your lower belly fat, your hanging belly fat and that belly pooch. You don't have to do any rigorous exercises, any jumping exercises. The exercises that I show you today are completely beginner friendly. Many people who join my weight loss program have actually lost a lot of weight, a lot of inch loss, because they do these very home workouts. They don't have to invest in gyms or go anywhere. They can do these exercises in the comfort of their own home, and believe me, they have lost a lot of inches around their belly area, especially that lower belly fat. Now, the first excuse I get to hear is lack of time. But lack of time doesn't stop you from doing many other things which are so basic, and exercise, especially these easy exercises, will come to you naturally if you start doing them along with me every single day. The second excuse I get to hear is we're too lazy. I don't feel like getting out of bed. Now, you don't have to get out of bed. This itself, either a couch or a chair, is a very comfortable position for you to be in, and I'm sure you get to sit on a chair throughout the day. So just make the most of it. According to me, with the kind of people who join my weight loss program and have this hanging belly problem, I know there are top 4 reasons which I'm going to tell you because of which you too have a belly pooch. Number 1 reason is stress. If you have a lot of stress with the rising cortisol levels in your body, you're bound to have a belly pooch and the lower belly fat. The second contributing reason is actually the sleep quality. If you have very poor sleep quality and you're not able to sleep well at night, or just maybe 3 or 4 hours a night, that means you're definitely going to have a lower belly fat. Third contributing factor is your hormonal imbalances, which often is related to your estrogen levels in the body, especially for women. If you have lower estrogen levels, you're bound to have a belly pooch. And the fourth contributing factor is age. Age is a major contributing factor because as you grow older, you're bound to have loose and saggy skin, and this is why probably this most stubborn area is always a cause of concern for many of you. Quickly tell me in the comments below which one of these is your reasons. Reason number 1, 2, 3 or 4. I want to know. As soon as you hit the like button, let's get prepared to start with the exercises. So let's start this lower belly fat workout with a warm-up. You just have to be like this, walking in the chair. It's so easy. Let me show you the first exercise. First exercise is very basic. Remember I told you it's beginner friendly, it's high knees. The next exercise is super fun and easy, like this. Let's do it together. The third move is a very simple and easy. You just have to make a circle with your hand and try and touch the toe of this foot. Then make a reverse circle and try and touch your toe with this foot. So easy, so simple. Let's do it together. The fourth move is a very simple and easy scissors move with your legs, just like this. The next exercise is a simple and easy move. You feel like a butterfly. Stutter just like one. Show you the last move. It's super easy, super fun. I hope you've enjoyed today's all exercises, but last one is the best. With just one chair, we've managed to do so many exercises. That's what I excel in. To help you understand the need of the hour, you don't have to go out or invest so much money in gyms and all. You can do all these exercises in the comfort of your own home with just little modifications. So if you wish to join a paid weight loss program and understand the diet pattern that will suit your body type, please be my guest. Don't forget to click on the link given below in the description. You can join my paid weight loss program and feel the difference. You can transform yourself by eating the food that is according to your likes, your dislikes, according to your customizations. I'll see you soon again next week. Until then, take care.